Hey everyone, welcome back to Odooverse. In today's video, we're finally going to create our very first custom Odoo module step by step. This is one of the most important topics for every beginner because real Odoo development starts from modules. In this video, we'll learn what a module is, how to create module folders, manifest files, models views, and how to install the module inside Odoo. So let's get started. First, let's understand what an Odoo module actually is. A module is basically a small application inside Odoo. Every feature in Odoo is built using modules. For example, CRM sales inventory accounting. All of these are separate Odoo modules. Modules help us add new features, menus, business logic, and screens to Odoo. So whenever developers want to customize Odoo, they usually create Now. The first step is creating the custom_addons folder. This folder is used to store all our custom modules separately from Odoo's core code. This is very important because if we directly edit core files, future Odoo updates may break our changes. So developers always keep custom code inside custom_addons. And don't forget, we also need to add this path inside the odoo.conf file using addons_path. Now the first step is creating the custom_addons folder. This folder is used to store all our custom modules separately from Odoo's core code. This is very important because if we directly edit core files, future Odoo updates may break our changes. So developers always keep custom code inside custom_addons. And don't forget, we also need to add this path inside the odoo.conf file using addons_path. Next, inside custom_addons, we create our module folder. In this example, we are creating student_management. One important naming rule: always use lowercase letters and underscores. Avoid spaces, capital letters, special characters. This folder becomes the home of your entire Odoo module. Now let's create one of the most important files, manifest.py. This file acts like the identity card of the module. Odoo reads this file first whenever the module is installed. Inside this file, we define module, name version, dependencies, author, category. For beginners, the most important dependency is usually base. Without the manifest file, Odoo cannot recognize the module. Now, let's understand the models folder. This folder contains the business logic of the module. Models are written using Python. Inside this folder, we define database tables, fields methods, and automation logic. For example, student records, products, customers, and invoices are all managed through models. This is basically the back-end brain of the module. Views control what users actually see on the screen. Views are written using XML. Inside this folder, we create form, views, list, views, menus, buttons, and actions. So whenever you open a form or click a menu in Odoo, the interface usually comes from the views folder. These files are required because they help Python recognize folders as packages. We usually create one init.py in the main module folder and another inside the models folder. These files are also used to import models correctly. Without init.py, Odoo will not load the module properly. Now, let's look at the complete structure of our module. Inside student_management, we have init.py, manifest.py models, folder, views folder inside models. We create Python files like student.py. And inside views, we create XML files like student_views.xml. This is the standard structure followed by most Odoo developers. Finally, let's install the module. First, restart the Odoo server so it can detect the new module. Then go to Apps arrow update, Apps list. After refreshing the apps list, search for Student of Management and click Install. Congratulations! Your first custom Odoo module is now installed successfully. In the next video, we'll create real models and fields step by step. So make sure you subscribe to Odooverse, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.